Right guys, can I do something with this? Whoa, no, obviously not. Okay. Right. Right, been sanding today. Got the rear half done at least. Seat tube ain't been done yet though. Yeah, I'm doing it by hand. Yeah, the rear wheel was removed while I was doing it as well. I'm not an idiot. That's what that's for. Yeah, the decals are pretty sharp, you know, so it's looking a lot tidier, I can tell you that now. Yeah. Yeah, and something else that has popped up. Over the weekend I went to pick something up. Which was cool. I'll show it to you later, but yeah, I'm not going to ask for projects for another day, I think. Some good news on the workshop though. They've managed to get that section of the bottom bracket out. So I'll be picking that up tomorrow. I am after a pair of 8-speed shifters if anybody knows where there's a set going. It'll be about 10-15 quid, alright? You know, I don't care what they are, just as long as they're 8-speed. Because there's a severe lack of parts at the minute, if anybody's noticed. But yeah, this is an Alpinestars CRO-MEGA DX, which is going to be heavily upgraded over the next couple of weeks. The reason why I'm saving this one is because it's Tange MTB tubing, so you know, it's oversized Tange tubing, which is quite cool. Is it oversized? I don't know. Certainly looks it a little bit. Picked up a chainstay guard today as well for this, so that's cool. I'm also looking for an Alpine 8-speed geared hub. Now some of you are going to know what I'm talking about. Because that was one big giveaway. I love it. Fucking hell. Missed a headset today, a step down headset from 1 1/4 to 1 1/8. While I was out and about, the listing ended. Wow, what a bargain that would have been. You know, it went for £12.50 or something. It was an FSA one, and I needed that for this. So God knows when I'm going to find another one of those. It's just for more fork options, like, you know. I mean, those forks are going to be resprayed anyway, but they're pretty much suspension corrected by the looks of it. So I want to get some 80 mils on there or something, which should be quite decent. And then I can get some decent handlebars and stem on there, you know. Don't get me wrong, I've got a nice little set of Ritchies on there at the minute, which I bought from Cycle Shop, second hand. Because I've got Ritchie brake levers as well, so. But the brake levers will probably be going on the workshop. I want to get some retro stuff for that. But yeah, this is probably going to take me another few days. Tomorrow I'll be getting some primer on the rear section. Hopefully tonight. I'll just clean it up a little bit more and, you know, hopefully get some primer on there. Anyway. I'll catch you later, guys.